and welcome. I am Anushka Verma and you are watching IIMT News. Our Monday special story. India takes a firm stand on regional cooperation at the 6th BIMSTEC Summit held in Bangkok, with crucial discussion on connectivity, disaster management and refugee repatriation. The summit sets a new tone for the South and Southeast Asian diplomacy. The 6th BIMSTEC Summit was held in Bangkok, Thailand from April 2nd to 4th, 2025, bringing together leaders from all 7 member nations including India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and the host nation Thailand. India played a pivotal role in steering the discussion toward regional connectivity, disaster resilience and economic integration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled several new initiatives, most notably the Bodhi program aimed at enhancing human resource development across the region. India also proposed the establishment of centers of excellence in disaster management, maritime transport and agriculture, strengthening the BIMSTEC institutional capabilities. A major highlight of the summit was the adoption of the Bangkok Vision 2030, a strategic roadmap designed to foster sustainable regional development over the next decade. Controversy surfaced over the attendance of Myanmar military junta chief, but the platform still facilitated important conversation on security cooperation and humanitarian assistance. Notably, Bangladesh confirmed that Myanmar has verified 180,000 Rohingya refugees for possible repatriation, a step that could influence regional refugee policy. On the sideline, Prime Minister Narendra Modi met with Bangladesh interim leadership, encouraging political stability and urging leaders to avoid divisive narratives during the transitional phase. The summit reasserted BIMSTEC's growing role in the region, with India emerging as a key player in balancing developmental goals with diplomatic sensitivity amidst rapidly shifting political landscape. With India setting the tone for cooperative progress in the BIMSTEC region, the Bangkok summit may well mark a turning point in sub-regional diplomacy. That's all for now on this story. Stay tuned for more national and international updates only on IIMT News.